The title of the talk is Why Does Yesterday's Best Practice Become Tomorrow's Anti-Pattern? So it's a keynote that investigates why we keep picking up these best practices and then they slowly become bad things. And I investigate why that happens and how to try to avoid that happening in the future. Probably the highlight of the keynote is realizing that this happens on every project, and this is an inevitable factor in software development, so you have to watch out for this. And this idea that predictability is kind of shot in software because the software development ecosystem is constantly changing in unpredictable ways. This is what we call the dynamic equilibrium of the software development ecosystem. And so if we can't predict anything, we can't plan. And so rather than try to figure out ways to invent predictability, what we're trying to do is figure out ways to become more adaptable in software. And that's really the thrust, is to build adaptability into software. It seems like different countries adapt to agile engineering practices at different rates, and it seems like Africa is still on the kind of early uptick of the kind of agile engineering maturity and continuous delivery, and so I think that's a big area of growth in South Africa right now is agile engineering practices. I think most people here understand the basic ideas of how agile software development work. It's taking it to the next level and really getting the engineering practices in place, deployment pipelines, getting a real engineering mindset around reproducibility in building software.